And while gunshots that shattered the peace in Baisaran in Pahalgam, where terrorists attacked tourists, resulting in casualties and chaos on the 22nd of April. Now, the probe into the deadly attack that has now brought light to how local politicians had resorted to vote bank politics and enabled the Pahalgam attack. In fact, probe sources who have now revealed how local politicians used poniwalas to form a significant vote bank in Pahalgam. Now, according to the probe, poniwalas scuttled several attempts by the government to make a motorized road to Baisaran, which resulted in forces taking almost an hour to reach the location, and this enabled terrorists to escape from the location. Probe further revealed that a proper road to Baisaran would have impacted the earnings of poniwalas, and thus they did not allow a vehicular road to connect Baisaran. Now, government sources reveal that work to connect Baisaran with Pahalgam through a proper motorable road has been initiated and will be completed soon. Meanwhile, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, who visited Pahalgam and held a meeting with tourist associations as part of tourism restoration outreach.
We are at the Pahalgam Baisaran road. The road that you're seeing behind me, it takes you to a certain point very close to Baisaran, and then beyond that it is the pony track. You have to walk, trek and go to that location. But as you could be seeing, this road is magnetized right up to a certain point. And what really stopped a permanent magnetized roads to Baisaran was local politics, vote bank politics. Our sources say that whoever the local politicians across party lines fell to the demand of the vote bank. Obviously, there was a certain section which mostly comprised of Godewalas, which are a very strong vote bank for the local politicians. They objected to it because they knew that if a permanent road, a magnetized road is constructed, there could be issues. Issues would be that their livelihood would be impacted. People would go straight in a car or in a vehicle and they would not use ponies. And that has ensured that Baisaran couldn't get a proper connect for years and years now. Result, we know what happened when Baisaran attack took place. There was a late reaction time. Security forces had to trek. There was no security force presence in the area at that time. And as the tracking really happened, it took at least 1 hour for the nearest security force personnel to reach the location. That ensured that the team, or should I say the squad of the Lashkar, they took their time, they had ample time, they caused casualties, mayhem, this dastardly attacked and then escaped from the location. But now been told that government is already, in fact, has fast-tracked the proposal, and in the next few days, work will start for a permanent magnetized road to Baisaran, which will be an all-weather road. So that is something that is happening, but quite clearly here also, vote bank politics playing its part and ensuring that, like other locations of Pahalgam, Baisaran did not have a magnetized road.
टूरिज्म ही हमें नहीं रखना चाहिए. इस रियासत को आगे अगर चलना है तो हमें उस इंडस्ट्री की तरफ चलना चाहिए जो हमें सस्टेन कर सके. टूरिज्म में एक मुसीबत ये है, एक गोली चल जाए कहीं पे, ऐसे लोग भागते हैं. मैंने खुद देखा कारगिल का जब हुआ, कारगिल और कितनी दूरी है, मगर भाग गए लोग. मेरी हुकूमत थी, डर गए. और इस साल ये उम्मीद थी कि करोड़ों में लोग आएंगे और हमारे पास जगह नहीं है उनको रखने की. मगर अफसोस है, उन दरिंदों को ये दिखा नहीं जिन्होंने वो कत्ल किया. उनको ये दिखा नहीं इन मासूमों को क्या होगा.
वो बनेगा, रोड बनेगा, मुझे नहीं पता है क्या किसने सियासत की, लेकिन मैं आपकी वसादत से, आपके चैनल की वसादत से बताना चाहता हूँ, वो रोड हमने प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1 रखा है इस बार, और इसी साल इंशाल्लाह रहमान उस पर काम.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.